So one of the pairs I'm about to show you here today could set the tone for your entire trading week. But if you don't know the trend and if you don't know the right 1 hour zone to trade from, you're going to miss out on it. So let's look at these charts together. My name is Bill Soriano, and I'm showing you our trend trap strategy today. Now, first of all, I'm not an investment advisor. I'm not qualified to give investment advice. So, what I'm sharing with you today is for educational purposes only. Forex is a risky business. You could lose all or part of your capital, and you are responsible for your own trades. So, let's look at EUR AUD first. So, this is our, as I said, this is our trend trap trading strategy. You can get access to this entire strategy if you join our platform today. You can get access to the boot camp, get on the 5 live sessions that the educator does each and every week, Monday through Friday, one per day. And if you're not happy, you can just ask for a refund and get your money back. So here we are with EUR AUD. Now, this pair actually activated on Friday. You could see right here it was at 2:15 a.m. on Friday, so I was asleep at this time. But we had this 1 hour zone marked up that we were given, right? These zones are sent to you right to your phone. All you have to do is go mark them up on your charts, and then you can wait and look for trades from them. So as you guys know, we're looking for price to move into that 1 hour zone. We're looking for that M or W pattern. We look for a trend line break. And we also at times look for a break of structure here as well, or what some people call a lower time frame flip or a change of character. You can look for both of them, or you can just go with the trend line break. And then we also confirm this with our educational platform scanner of the quantum scanner. So you could see here that this one does activate right here, and it does make a nice move down. So now we are bearish on EUR AUD, and now we are looking to trade from this 1 hour zone here after it's made this move down. We like this zone right here. It provided prior support and resistance, right? And so we're looking to trade from this zone, which is at 1.63750. So 1.63750. Don't look over here on the right, guys. Look over here where the indicator is showing up here on the chart, 1.63750. That's where our alert is set on EUR AUD. EUR JPY is also bearish. Okay, we're also bearish on EUR JPY. And by the way, we do identify the trend on the 4 hour time frame. So if you're not familiar with the strategy, if you haven't watched any of the videos, we identify a daily high and a daily range high and a daily range low. We use that as our rejection areas. So we don't want to take a buy if we're too close to the daily range high. We don't want to take a sell if we're too close to the daily range low. And once we get into the trade, we use these areas for our targets, for our take profit targets. Okay, then we identify the trend, the direction on the 4 hour time frame, and we mark up a 1 hour zone to trade from. Once that zone is hit, we drop down to the 15-minute. We look for M's and W's, draw a trend line. We look for a clean break of that trend line, and then we confirm that with the quantum scanner. So here we are bearish on EUR JPY, and we're looking for this area up here to get hit, this 182.925. 182.925 is the area we're looking to get hit. We did get a nice consolidation here in this area, but this area really wasn't a prior level of support and resistance, so we didn't want to trade from that area. And you can see here that price did make a strong move out of here. This is a news candle here from Friday. We had that news come out at 8:30, a.m. on Friday, and that's the result of that candle right there. That's why it has that big wick going to the bottom there. But you can see here that after this break here of this area here, price then started moving back up. So we expect it to move back up into this area here at 182.925. USD CAD is also bearish at this time. This also activated as well on Friday. If you could see here on the 15-minute chart, we were looking to trade from this zone here, and we kind of got an activation here at 5 in the morning on Friday. Again, I was asleep at this time, so price did make a beautiful move down here, and of course the news candle here did help that. So what I'm noticing with this strategy is, after watching it for a few weeks, is that in most instances, the news tends to push price the way that we're going, right? And so that's basically with the 4-hour trend, right? So we're in a downtrend here. Price, the news event pushed this down quite a lot. I mean, there's really no wick to the upside at all. It just pushed it straight down, as you can see here. It didn't reject as much as EUR JPY did off the bottom here. But most of these pairs on Friday just kind of consolidated or pulled back a little after this news move here. Of course, I wasn't in any trades on Friday. I'd gotten out of my gold trade in the morning before the news hit because I didn't want to take any chances dealing with the news, even though it has been pushing price in my favor lately. You never know what's going to happen there. So the area we're looking for price to come back to here is 1.39950 in USD CAD. So you could see here that the USD, the dollar forex pairs are these ones here are bearish because the DXY is bearish, the dollar index. And you can see when we get to these pairs down below, the opposite pairs, the EUR USD and the AUD USD, they're going to be bullish because what that denotes that the strength is in the Australian dollar or the euro, and that it's stronger than the dollar is. And in these USD CAD, USD JPY, USD Chef, this is showing that the dollar is weaker than each one of those, and that's why price is trending downward, right? Let me get a drink there. So right now, all of the pairs, the trends on the pairs are lining up with what the dollar index fund is telling us as well. So this is USD CAD, USD JPY. This one here, you see it trading down near its daily range low. And we're looking for a pullback up to here at 158.883. And let me look at that again here. I am going to adjust this, guys, to 158,900 for you. Okay, so 158,900 is what we're looking for in USD JPY. We like to use the quarter dollar formula for these for the alerts here. So we like price tends to find the price area of 0.25, 0.5, 0.50, 0.75. But anyway, that's where the alert is there. USD Chef is also bearish at this time. And the zone, the 1-hour zone we're looking for is at 0.81000 or 0.81000, right? That is the zone for USD Chef looking to trade from. AUD USD, very bullish at this time. As we said, you could see what that news candle did to this, pushed it up quite a way. Again, there's really no move in the opposite direction. It's just a straight push in the direction of the trend at that time. So we're looking for price to make a pullback here to 0.70475. 0.70475 for AUD USD. EUR USD, the same thing. You can see that giant news candle there pushing it up well up above the daily range high here. And we're looking for price to pull back to 1.15425. 1.15425. This is silver. Silver made a beautiful move up as well. And, our educator Jay called this out, on his live session. He, he sent out the chart markups for this. And, he showed everybody this area right here. I'll show you the markups in a second here. But he basically gave this trade out. And he's been just about spot on with these zones for gold and silver. And you could see the move that this made up here. Now, we're looking for this now to pull back down to 62.66475. And once it pulls back down to this area, we look for that W formation, draw a trend line, wait for that trend line to get broken, and confirm it with the quantum scanner. Gold is the trade that I was in. I got in this late Thursday night about, I think it was 10 p.m. Eastern time when I got in this trade. Again, Jay sent out the chart markup. He went over this on the live session on Thursday night at 7 p.m. Yeah, 7 p.m. Eastern time. He goes live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 a.m. Eastern time, Tuesday and Thursday, 7 p.m. Eastern time. That's so everyone has a chance to get on the live sessions, whether or not, regardless of what time zone they're in. But all of these sessions are recorded anyway, and these recordings drop right away. So you have access to them right away, and they stay in the back office. Anyway, he gave this area out here. He basically said, guys, wait for a break of this line here, the break of structure here on the 15-minute. So we kind of got a trend line activation right here, but we don't kind of get that full break of this trend line till right here. And that's where I got in and took this up overnight. And I did get out before the news came out on this because, like I said, I wasn't sure. I did get out right about here. So I got probably like a 1 to 2.4 on this trade. I was trying to get a 1 to 3. I would have gotten 1 to 3 had I stayed in, but again, I didn't want to risk it over that news event on Friday. So those are the pairs we're looking at this week. Right? So I've given you 2, 4, 6, 8, what is that? 9 pairs. 9 pairs. You have 7 regular forex pairs, right? And then you have the 2 commodity pairs, gold and silver. And so these are the pairs we're looking at this week. And those are I've given you the direction, and I've given you a 1 hour zone to trade from. That's all I can give you on this video, guys. Now, if you do get started with our educational platform today, you'll be able to watch Jay's bootcamp videos. There's 5 of them. You could watch them. They're relatively short. You could watch them in a couple hours, and you can get a basic understanding of the strategy. Then you get on his live sessions Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday next week. Or if you can't make the live sessions at some point during the day, you watch the recording. And then you'll have a great understanding of this strategy, and you'll actually be able to start trading with it on a demo account, at some point next week. And then you can decide if this is for you or not. Keep in mind that this is only one strategy that is taught in our educational platform. It's only one of the many educators that they have. And we're using the quantum scanner. This strategy is pure price action. No indicators, no moving averages. The only thing we do is we do confirm our trades on the quantum scanner before we take them. It's just our final confirmation. And that's the only time we use the indicator at all. Or the scanner at all. And by the way, guys, there are 9 scanners that you get access to in our platform. The quantum scanner is just one of them. So there's many, many different strategies you can choose from. But we think this is the best one for you to start with, and we think that you'll like this one the best. So let me just show you though what Jay sent out here. So this is from 2 nights ago. We did get chart markups for EUR USD. These are the ones I just went over for you: USD Chef, USD CAD, USD JPY, EUR USD, and AUD USD. Now, what the zones that I've given you were the exact zones. They were the exact zones that Jay gave that night. But if those zones were already hit, I did mark up new zones for you to trade from. And then, of course, the gold and silver. This was his markup for silver. I mean, like I said, he sent this out. This is a new one now. So he sent this one out on Friday after this trade went off here. He gave us that new zone to trade from at 62.66475, which is the same one I gave you. But prior to that, on Thursday evening, before that move happened, he gave out this chart here, right? So you could see that everything was on this chart, but he removes everything once the trade goes off there. And then what else do we have here? 1 second. And then he also gave us, can't find the little thing here on the side. He also gave us the gold trade as well. Okay. And you could see here where he gave us, this was actually before this happened. He gave us this, and there went the price. So what you get, you'll get access, like I said, you sign up today, you get access to Jay's Bootcamp videos, you watch him, you get on his live sessions. Every day he sends out the chart markups of the 1 hour zones, just in case you don't get on his live sessions, or just in case something happens after the live sessions are over. He always updates the charts for us here in the app. So you can get these downloaded right to your phone, or you can go online and get them as well, like I'm showing you here. So that's the video for today, Trend Trap video, guys. Again, if you like this video, if you want to see more of these videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like the video, drop a comment, do something, send it out to your friends that are interested in forex trading, because for whatever reason, YouTube doesn't seem to like putting my video out there. I'm not exactly sure why, but like I said, if you find it useful to you, please subscribe. If you don't, that's fine. Just click off of it and go about your business. But if you want that link to get started, so you could take advantage of that 7-day test drive, let me know and I'll send it out to you. Have a great weekend, guys.